You know you're so cute, right? I know you're camel shy. Why are you playing with my blanket, silly? Don't mind the noise. I'm watching YouTube in the background. Loki. Hello. I know you're camel shy, kitten. I pet you. You need pets. Pets. You need pets. He needs pets. You need pets, Loki. Loki, you need pets. Look at that adorable little face. He needs pets. Okay, bye. Bye, I guess then.